Okay, hi, I'm back again today. Outside, it's very nice today. But I just wanted to take a look at entity relation documents or ERDs because these are things, or I'm sorry, I can't even say the name right, entity relationship diagram. And these diagrams, I'm going to be completely frank here, are things that have always really kind of confused me or I don't visualize data in kind of like pretty diagrams very well, and I'm not very good at making them. I mean, ask me to draw you a diagram, it's going to be a mess. It's going to be all over the place. But it's just not how my brain works. I'm not a very visual person. But here we are with these things that will supposedly make your life easier. And so I'm just going to show you this. We're looking at this ERD right here. I'm just going to kind of talk to you a bit about what everything's doing from my perspective at least. So if you're a little bit confused, if you kind of look at it and you're like, what's going on? It'll kind of hopefully help you to figure that out. So first of all, what we're looking at here are two different tables, and you can see that they're related. There's a dependency here. Um, and we're going to start out with some of these acronyms. So PK is the primary key. Of course, you have one of those in your table. It's the unique identifier. So we're looking at two tables here. This first one is appointment and the other one is doctor. Um, and the primary key in appointment is appnum. The primary key in doctor is doc emp ID. And because this is the primary key over here, we're also mentioning it over here as the foreign key 1, which is FK1, right where the pointer is. And in here we can see all of the different attributes. Now we're not saying, what kind of these are they? Characters? Are they integers? I mean, it doesn't really matter. The diagram doesn't include that information. But here we are, and usually the diagrams won't have this whole like appna map date thing down here with a description. But just focusing on this part over here that I'm kind of boxing with my pointer, you'll see that these are all of the different columns that you have in each of these tables. And so hopefully, again, this is my way of trying to understand something that has not traditionally been easy for me to grasp. All of this sort of visualization of relationships and whatnot. Um, but anyway, I hope this made it a little easier. And I can see where they're going. You've got this doctor here, and you can see that it relates over here, and you've got the foreign key 1, which relates to the primary key of doctor, and so you can see how that all ties together. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed and that you learned something. Thanks so much.